I am here with the amazing director of our solid waste, Larry Washington, and we are here to say we made it. We have cleaned up all of the debris from Helene and Milton. And when I say cleaned up all of the debris, that means that we have made 3 sweeps through every single neighborhood in the city of Tampa. And we have cleaned up all of the hurricane debris ahead of schedule. So incredibly proud, not only of Larry, but of our entire team. This was the hardest endeavor that our solid waste team has ever undertaken. And to say that they stood up to the challenge is an underestimation. They surpassed the goals that we set, and they did it in a way that made our entire community very, very proud. Again, we've surpassed the goal of FEMA, the deadline that was in the mid-January, and we've gotten this debris cleaned up before the Christmas holidays. So a great day here in the city of Tampa, and hopefully we don't have to go through another one of these types of operations ever again.